Hit! You hit.
Try to stick to the boat. Please.
There's a guy right there.
There's a road on that side. Oh, hit! Don't pass that.
Damn, headshot. Wow.
Oh.
I'm hit too, man. I got one too.
Hit! Get out the window.
You guys hear music?
Yeah, it's not my cell phone.
Oh. Say,
Did you
damn.
get to my cell phone, man?
I've been hit so many times. I'm
Big house, big house.
hearing music.
Somebody from behind me.
Hit! Gave you guys enough opportunity to shoot. Ah! Camera! I just got shot in the chest.
On satellite, get on! On satellite, on! Hey, camera!
Welcome to the jungle, man.
20 seconds remaining. On satellite.
Got you, Colin!
10 seconds. On satellite.
He's in the next container up from you. He's in the next container up.
Punch it.
Hit. No, he didn't. Dude, I don't know what it is. Sometimes I want to pull it. Come on, what's up? go. Who's up?
I got it back, man.
Camera. Ricochet. We're hitting A2. Camera right behind you.
What? Safety kill? You're dead.
Stop for the camera, buddy.
Come on! What do I gotta do? Oh shit. Running out of batteries. Good thing I got a fucking protection on my nuts. Yeah. Watch him get killed. Ooh, you alright, dude?
You okay?
You alright?
Oh, good.
You fell right on that angle iron, man. You sure? That had to have hurt.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah.
He got shot like
Is this
Bubba.
on YouTube?
Yeah.
What's your channel?
Rick Marks. You guys will see. Yeah, you probably see.
Oh,
Go back out there, right?
Where? Who are you? You?
yeah.
You're in it. Guaranteed.
Behind the yard spot.
With you, Mr. Dunson, next time you come back with me, okay?
You alright, man?
Give a thumbs up.
Way to take a shot. Way to take a shot. Good job, man. You did an excellent job in there with that handgun, dude.
Thanks.
That used to be mine.
Yeah, it was.
You shouldn't have sold that one.
I still have one left.
Here, that's where you dress up. You're gonna leave, Joe?
Yeah, it's like a ping around.
Avatar?
Where are we trying to go? Yeah, where?
I think you noticed when my gun locked up earlier.